everyone, welcome back to my channel English Club. This is Neelam Dhanwani. In this video I will teach you how to join two letters in cursive writing. Cursive writing, joining of two letters. See? A, tail, then make a slanting line, turn, standing. This is B. I already taught you capital letters and small letters in cursive writing. Now see next. First write B, its tail, then from its tail make C like this and tail. This is B, C. Write C, tail, and make D from the tail by joining its tail, D. Write D and E. Write E and F. Write F and G. Write G and H. Write H and I. Write I, J. Write J and K. Write K and L. Write L and M. Write M and N. Write N and O. Write O and P. Write P and Q. Write Q and R. Write R and S. Write S and T. Write T and U. Write U, then take out tail and make V by joining its tail, V. Write V and W. Write W and X. Write X and Y. Write Y and